Welcome to MathZip. Today's topic simultaneous equation. This video I am trying to solve the following by using the method of substitution. Let's start. First, we have to know about method of substitution. Applying this method, we can solve the equations by the following step below. First, from any equation express one variable in terms of the other variable. So first we consider here is two equation. One is x by a plus y by b equals to 1 by a plus 1 by b. We can mention this one is equation 1, and x by a minus y by b equals to 1 by a minus 1 by b is equation 2. Okay, so first from 2 we have, so first we have taken equation 2. So here is x by a minus y by b equals to 1 by a minus 1 by b. Okay, so first we can make this one a LCM, which is AB. So here is AB divide a, it's b, so this is bx minus ay equals to, here is similar, ab. So here is b minus a, right? Now we can write bx minus ay equals to b minus a. It means we are omitting ab. Why? Because once we multiplying both sides by ab, so multiplying both sides by AB, it means times AB and times AB. So this AB and this AB out. So here is only bx minus ay equals to b minus a, right? Now, so here mention from any equation express one variable. So look, here is two variable, one is x, another one y, x and y. So first we have to find out one variable. So here is bx, and we can write here minus ay become ay plus ay, and here is plus b minus a. Now we can divide both sides by b. So x equals to ay plus b minus a divide b. We can mark this one equation 3. Okay, now what can we do? Now in equation 1, this equation we can put x equals to ay plus b minus a divide b, right? So we can write putting from equation 3 the value of x in equation 1 we have, right? So this one is x by a, we can write this one, right? This is x by a, then plus y by b equals to 1 by a plus 1 by b, right? Now against this x we put this one. So here is 1 by a, and against this x here is ay plus b minus a divide b, right, and plus y by b equals to 1 by a plus 1 by b, right. So now we trying to solve this one step by step. First, this one is a times b is ab, and here is ay plus b minus a plus y by b equals to 1 by a plus 1 by b. Okay, now we can make LCM. So here is ab and b, LCM will be ab. So here is ay plus b minus a plus ab divide b is a times y is ay, right, equals to here is b plus a divide ab. Again we can multiplying both side by ab, so here will be ay plus ay, it should be a 2ay, right, and here is plus b minus a equals to b plus a. So this ab and this ab out because multiplying both side by ab. Okay, now here is 2ay equals to plus here is b plus a, and here minus b plus a, right. So here b and minus b out, so here is 2ay equals to a plus a is a 2a. Now a y equals to 2a divide 2a, so this one and this one out, it will become 1. So we get y equals to what? 1. Y equals to 1, we already get this one. Now look, one variable we already get. Now this y we can put any equation, first equation, second equation, or we made third equation. Any equation, once we put this value, you will get the value of x or variable x, right. So now we can make this one, we put y equals to 1 in equation 3. So here is x, right. Now a times y means 1, then plus b minus a divide b. So look, a here is b, a times 1 means a plus b minus a, therefore here is plus a and minus a, it will be out. So b divided b equals to 1. Now look, x equals to 1 and here y equals to 1. Do you understand this one? If not, I can write in here y equals to 1, we put equation 3. Okay, so what is the equation 3? Equation 3 is x equals to ay then plus b minus a divided b. Okay, then a times y means 1, right, plus b minus a divide b. So here is a plus b minus a divide b. So a and minus a out, b by b, once you divide b each other, so b by b means 1. So x and y, it means 1 by 1, and this is our answer. So this equation solve the following by using the method of substitution. We get x equals to 1 and y equals to 1, and this is our answer. So I hope you clear this one. This method we are trying to follow the formula. First, from any equation express one variable in terms of the other variables. We already get one variable, which is equation 3, and substitute the value of the obtained variable in the other equation and solve the equation 1 variable. So in equation 3, here we get x equals to ay plus b minus a divide b, which we already put in equation 1, right? And finally, look, put the obtained value in any of given equation to find the value of other variable. So here we already get y equals to 1, and which we are putting in equation 3, and finally we also get x equals to 1. So 3 steps, 1, 2, 3 we already follow, and finally get x equals to 1 and y equals to 1. So I hope you cleared this one. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section, and don't forget subscribe my channel, which is MathZip, and please also share with your friends. I hope your friends and relatives also get lots of things from this channel. Thank you.